In this video, we're doing geometric sequences, and you've already seen one. Back when we defined arithmetic sequences, we put them side by side. The top row adds 4 each time. That's the arithmetic one, and we've covered it. The bottom row multiplies by 2 each time. That's a geometric sequence, and that's this video. The number you multiply by has a name. It's called the common ratio, and we write it as r. And here's the quickest way to find r on any sequence. Divide any term by the one before it. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 40 divided by 20 is 2. If you get the same answer every time, it's geometric. Here's the formula for the nth term. A sub n equals a1 times r to the power n minus 1. And it's worth putting that next to the arithmetic version. In the arithmetic one, we added n minus 1 lots of d. In the geometric one, we multiply by n minus 1 lots of r. The n minus 1 is doing exactly the same job in both. It's there because the first term hasn't grown yet. Example 1. Find the 8th term of 3, 6, 12, 24, and so on. First find r. 6 divided by 3 is 2, so r is 2. A 1 is 3, and n is 8. 3 times 2 to the power 8 minus 1. That's 3 times 2 to the 7th. 2 to the 7th is 128. 3 times 128 is 384. Example 2. Find the 7th term of 2, negative 6, 18, negative 54. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3, so r is negative 3. 2 times negative 3 to the power 6. And here's the part to be careful with. The signs in this sequence alternate, but negative 3 to the power 6 is positive because an even power of a negative number is positive. Negative 3 to the 6th is 729. 2 times 729 is 1,458, positive. Example 3. Find the 8th term of 80, 40, 20, 10. 40 divided by 80 is 1/2, so r is 1/2. 80 times 1/2 to the power 7. 1/2 to the 7th is 1 over 128. 80 divided by 128 is 0.625. So when r is between 0 and 1, the sequence shrinks. It's still geometric. Example 4, and this one is harder. A geometric sequence has a 3rd term of 12 and a 6th term of 96. Find r and find the first term. We don't know a1, so we can't substitute directly. But watch what happens if we divide one by the other. a6 over a3. That's 96 over 12, which is 8. And on the formula side, everything cancels except r cubed. So r cubed equals 8, which means r is 2. Now go back. a3 equals a1 times r squared. 12 equals a1 times 4. So a1 is 3. Last one. Which is the first term of 3, 6, 12, and so on to go above 1,000? We need 3 times 2 to the n minus 1 to be greater than 1,000. Divide both sides by 3. 2 to the n minus 1 has to be greater than 333.3. Now think in powers of 2. 2 to the 8th is 256. That's not enough. 2 to the 9th is 512. That works. So n minus 1 is 9, which means n is 10. And the 10th term is 3 times 2 to the 9th, which is 1,536. Now that you can find any term of a geometric sequence, the next video adds them all up. Geometric series.